Whispers, um, with everything going on, it's becoming glaring every day that General Buhari is impossibly stupid. Mhm. Let's find out. Mhm. Why not for Mhm. Humans are fond of doing stupid things. Stupidity is more accepted in individuals' lives, but we must revolve and rebel stupidity in a national leadership. There are two sides of history, the right side and the stupid side. A president can choose to be on a right side or on a stupid side. There is a mad rush for some presidents to be on a stupid side. It is evident that the only agenda of General Muhammadu Buhari as the president of Nigeria is to conquer all other ethnic groups by fully colonize and Islamize the country. For now, let's speak about the stupidity. When it comes to stupidity, Buhari can be likened to an unhinged drunkard at a bar regaling patrons with his stupidity. For 6 years, we have been abused and at the same time amused by the deeply idiotic episodes of Buhari in Nigeria's most stupid era. Few examples of Buhari's impossibly stupidity will surface. How profoundly stupid can Buhari be when for 6 years he has been jetting out to Britain for medical treatment and didn't deem it wise to use the power and resources of his office to build first-class hospitals in all the 36 states. With the prevailing state of anarchy in the country, Buhari doesn't see it fit and right to address the nation even for once. On rare occasions where he addressed Nigerians, we had to plead and beg. American President Joe Biden, since he assumed office 100 days ago, he has been having press conferences almost every other day. Buhari is building a railway to Niger, while such has not been extended to the 36 states. He said it will lift 100 million Nigerians out of poverty in 10 years. The same Buhari failed to fulfill its campaign promise of creating 2 million jobs every 2 years. He said Nigerians' unity is non-negotiable, but is zealously pursuing policies and programs that fragments and disunites Nigeria. Nepotism, corruption, divisive politics, filled all federal civil service jobs and posts in federal agencies with his Fulani Kingsmen. He proscribed IPOB, freedom fighters, as a terrorist organization. On the other hand, he appoints terrorist Issa Pantami as minister and staunchly stands behind Pantami and his terrorist declarations. Buhari desperately hunts for Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho Oòṣà, who is fighting to save Yorubas from the Fulani herdsmen terrorists. At the same time, he shields Miyetti Allah terrorists, the Gumis, and other northern terrorist groups. I can go on and on and on. Buhari's regime has been one disaster after another. These fiascos can be ascribed directly to Buhari's lack of intellectual horsepower. Buhari has given no indication he possesses mental capacity, wisdom, and leadership skills to be a president. When the story of Buhari's reign of terror is told many years from now, students and history enthusiasts will learn about Buhari's terrorism, nepotism, lies, corruption, and self-enrichment. War drums from Buhari and Fulani invaders are becoming louder and louder every day. Nigeria's breakup is certain. Separation is the only way out. Never again should Nigeria vote for anyone with low IQ. Never again should Nigerians vote for any quiet, introverted fool who is incapable of speaking and interacting with people. Never again should Nigerians vote for anyone who is not successful either in business or industries. Never again. And if we do, we brought it upon ourselves. Yeah. Yeah. There you have it, guys. Simply put, General Muhammadu Buhari is a very stupid man and an ethnic champion. All over the world, people suspect him of having terroristic links, and for being a terrorist himself, he is a highly corrupt man and he surrounds himself with corruption. He has divided Nigeria and drove all tribes into droves, and drove all tribes in droves to form their own ethnic militaries and to opt out of Nigeria. Israel will never, and I repeat, never judge him kindly. Hmm. 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 Buhari is an Alamajiri like Shikau. He can't do anything. Hmm. Hmm. There you have it, guys. Until I come your way again. Bye.